Hi, today we will learn how to use Padlet application and online bulletin board for online learning. In this video, we will learn how can we set up the applications, how can we optimize few settings to reach out to our students' need. Additionally, we will also learn how can we upload few materials and media to the same application. We all know that teaching remotely can be interesting if we know few applications that can make our classes interesting. So today I have something which can help us to go through with this video and can guide us how can we make our class so interactive. It is going to be more important to create opportunities for our students to feel like they are still the part of community, even if that is not existing in real world, but of course we can help them to connect with the online applications. My name is Kajal Singh and this is my YouTube channel. So far so good. As always, if you appreciate the tips which I am going to provide you in this video, you can show your support by hitting the bell icon, sharing with your friends whom you know, and subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification icon so that you will not miss my weekly updates. Although Padlet is very easy program to use, it's actually incredibly dynamic. In this platform, students only can't share the typed answer, but also they can share different media, videos, audios, any applications, file, anything is possible to share on this platform.
So let's give a kick start. Here I'll search the name of the application first of all. Here we have Padlet. So it will take 22 MB to get installed and it's almost done. Now here we will click on open. So here we will get this page where it will ask us to log in and to sign up. If you are using it very first time, you need to tap on sign up and need to fill few gaps. If you have already used this applications, you can click on login. I'll click on login. Then you will get this user interface where it will ask you to log in from different accounts. I'll click on login with Google because it takes very less time. I'll click on so far so good. Fantastic. So here we will get two options. First basic, second pro. In basic, basically we are eligible to use 3 Padlets and we can share any file up to 10 MB. But if I talk about pro features, so here we have unlimited Padlets. Also, you can share any file up to 250 MB. If you are struggling with some errors and problems, you will be kept in the priority to get support from this application. I will click on basic feature. Now you will get features like this. This user interface we will get. We can click on create. We have multiple options available as per your requirement. But if I talk about my favorite Padlet, so I mostly select wall, grid and shelf. So here I reach to this place where I can make some changes with the help of settings. So I'll click on setting options. You can see it is visible on 4th number. I'll click over there. It will take me to this place. You can see first is title. So as per your requirement and classes, you can make some changes here. Let's suppose I would like to change it with session 1. Here it is. If you want to provide some descriptions in order to get tasks done in well manner, you can add descriptions here that will help your students to follow the same. With the help of icon, here you will get some emojis. It ups to you whether you want your students to react with the help of such emojis or not. I always prefer not to use such emojis since we are using for the professional place. So if I talk about wallpaper, here you will get multiple options and you can change many wallpapers so that your students will not be bored with the similar one. Now we have color themes as well. Which color do you prefer? You can customize as per that. Same with font we have. If you want to make some changes, you can take help of this font. Attributions, it's really important. You should always allow it so that your other members of class can have a look who is posting the post. If I talk about new post position, just below to attributions we have new post position, where you can customize whosoever will post first will be on the top. So as per you, what you want and how do you want your Padlet look like, you can customize as per that. For comments, allow viewers to comment on post. So I'll prefer always to allow this setting so that students can add their comment over there. Now apart from adding comments, we have an option for react as well. As per your requirement, you can ask your students for the voting, for the star out of 5. Also they can grade in numerical ways. We have these options available. I always prefer to vote so that they can get the likes from other students if they find something really interesting. Let's talk about required approval. So basically, if you allow this, whosoever is posting any post on this Padlet, it will always require your approval. Until you don't do, it will be not visible for anyone. So you have to be very mindful that you have to allow if you want that person to be viewed by others. A basic feature is available that we can replace few words by nice emojis that will help others to maintain the decorum of your sessions. So this was all about settings. Let's save it and we'll move forward. Wonderful. Now if you want to add something, you need to just click on plus sign. Here if you see, it's highlighted title. I would like to inform my students they should introduce themselves. So here the topic will be introduction. I'll say something, but as I am very creative person, so I can also upload few files that can make my introductions nice. If you click on 3 dots, it will allow you to upload any photo, video, audio and any file from your device. We have also available option for the link where you can add any URL to get viewed by your peers. Google will help you to search images, videos, GIFs, websites and more so that it can make your comment and any post very effective. If you talk about Snap, we all know about it. Here you can take some pictures and can upload the same. We have also available an option to share the film, voice. If you want to draw something, you can do the same as well. Also, we have an option available where you can share your place and location. Apart from that, we have also an option that helps us to share the link of this Padlet with anyone. So these are some features which we have on this platform that is going to be really helpful if you use it wisely and if you customize it as per your requirement to reach to the student's need. I hope we understand this video very well. If you have any questions, you can post those questions under comment box. I'll definitely reply over that. If you know some other features, you can also update by adding comment. It will be so helpful for me to enhance my learning for the particular application. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.